Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffin cream. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's crucial that everything is well chilled, including your mixing bowl and whisk. This preparation ensures your cream whips up perfectly, giving you that light and airy texture we're aiming for. Let's get started with the mixing process. Now let's get to the whipping. Pour your cold heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract into your chilled mixing bowl. Begin mixing on a low speed to prevent splattering, then slowly increase the speed to medium-high. Continue whipping until you see soft peaks forming. This usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your mixer. Don't overmix at this stage. We want it just right. To achieve the perfect muffin cream, continue whipping just until the cream holds firm, distinct peaks. You'll notice it becomes much thicker and holds its shape when you lift the whisk. This is a critical step, so watch closely. Overmixing can quickly turn your beautiful cream grainy or even cause it to separate, so stop as soon as those firm peaks appear. The goal is a light, airy, and wonderfully spreadable consistency. Once your muffin cream is perfectly whipped, it's ready to be enjoyed. Gently spoon or pipe it onto your completely cooled muffins. For the freshest taste and best texture, try to use the cream within 1 hour of preparing it. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will keep well for up to 24 hours, but it's always best when fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.